Hello folks, welcome to WM Originals. Myself Akhil back with another video. Microsoft has released Windows 10 May 2021 update, which is also known as 21H1 update. In this video, I will tell you how to get this update now. To get this update, click on Start and from there go to Settings and here Update and Security and then click on Check for Updates. It will start checking for update, and if your device is compatible with Windows 10 May 2021 update, you will see a banner like this. Click on download and install and your Windows 10 May 2021 update will start downloading, and once completed, click on restart now to start with the installation process. Your system will restart and Windows 10 May 2021 update will get installed. This is how easily you can also get Windows 10 May 2021 update. This is what I had for today. See you all in the next video.